Okay, so I'm testing this YouTube streaming instead of Twitch. Um, let's see how it goes. Okay, it seems it's streaming. So if I close this window, is it still working? Let's see if it's still working. I go to YouTube, and if I'm still streaming, it should be great. So is it your video? I find it a little bit confusing, this YouTube stuff. But if I go live, yes, it's live. It looks like it's live. Good. Okay, so Saasform office hours. If there is anyone here, and if there's not, I will just do my work. Saasform office hours and save. And I wonder if there's any way of having to stream. I'm using these OBS Streamlabs, which is fine and great. I'm wondering if there's any way to embed the chat here. So let's say that I go to the private streaming. Let's see what it gives me, and if there's a chat, if it works or not. And okay, there's a chat. Nice. There's my chess videos here. Sign into chat. Good. Too slow. I got that. So let's go back at development. So what to do? Close this. It's not interesting. Okay. So we're having some issues by Vishnu, which is a great guy and is helping us. So thanks Vishnu, if you're listening. Attempting to update billing detail does not work, which is fine, and it is true. So basically, it's even in the roadmap, in the sprint planning. Sorry. So it's this complete user billing with fresh. I'm gonna convert this to an issue. Wait, because I'm lazy, I'm gonna take this. So I'm going to convert this to an issue. As a user, I want to set my billing data so that I can purchase a SaaS subscription. So the idea is that I want to buy something, and then I need to be able to add the things, to add the credit cards information and select the plan and so on. And probably also we need to add, can I add, no. I cannot add an issue from the project, but I can add the issue to the project from the issue itself. So attempting to update billing details, I'm gonna add it to a project. So projects, and it's in the sprint planning project. And now if I go to the, oh look, now nice, I can it says me awaiting triage. I saw a drop down happening here. Good, in progress, because I thought I used to go to the project and then move it to the right place, because normally it will be here, like waiting triage, and then you need to move it to in progress. So attempting to update billing details doesn't work. And the thing is this, I go to the billing page when I sign in. It's always the same username and password. And I go here, and this is all fake. It's not and this is nothing works here. So if I add new payment system and I look here, and of course this is not correct now, because Apple Pay or PayPal are not interesting. But if I add FUBAR and I add a credit card, it doesn't work. Nothing works. It's so it sends to billing. It posts to user billing. So it posts to the more or less the correct API, but not really, because if I change plan and I choose this, it posts to what? To nothing. So if I decide to change plan, it goes to sign up, you see, and then to that. So this is all wrong, and we need to shape this. I think we need to work mainly on the front end, because the back end is more or less there. In the bare theme we have all this. So let's see. So API, V1 and payment controller. You see we have add payment here, add payment token, and is this the correct one? Add payment token, and is it adding add payment methods? Yes. So it's add Stripe payment method to an account. Note that the payment method should be created elsewhere, possibly on the client. Yes. So yeah, the client has to do a lot of things, and then it has to pass the result. It has to interact with Stripe a lot, and then it has to pass the result to the backend, which saves the backend and which saves the token, and then everything more or less it's fine. And also, I'm pretty sure we have the plan choice. No, we don't have the plan choice, so I could do that. Because I don't want to work on the front end, because Fresh front end is usually Emanuele that does it, and I don't really know how to proceed to do that. So I need to ask him a quick introduction to the best practices. But I could go back to the bear team and I could do the thing that changes the plan. So change plan. How one changes plan with Stripe? Subscription use case. Okay. I'm wondering if there's a running example, so I see what we are doing. Well, it seems not. So the Stripe documentation is great, but the examples are less great. I think it's super messy. You see, there's a lot of examples, and it's not easy to understand where to go. And I'm pretty sure I've seen a different example. So I'm see? Okay, so let's see on the documentation how to change the plan. Create subscription quick start is interesting, and change subscriptions. Let's see. Steps about changing existing subscription without having to cancel and recreate them. Some of the most significant changes you might make are changing the billing cycle, upgrading or downgrading the subscription price, cancelling or pausing. But this is the existing subscription. What I want to do is I want to change the subscription I'm no, wait. For example, a customer went to your pro offering, which is easy accomplished via update subscription code. Okay, so it seems it's my case. Changing a subscription often results in a proration. So you can prepare your customer upgrading result in a prorated changes. For example, if a customer upgrades from a $10 to $20 option, they are charged prorated amounts for the time spent on each option. Halfway, an additional $5. Okay, this is easy. Okay. So I would say that we disable proration at the moment. It's corner we cut and then we okay, so probably we need to disable the proration and then we see what happens. So I move to the bear theme. So you see that my default points to fresh tabs, so I will unlink default and I will link bear. This will allow me to develop the API without thinking about the front end. So now if I go here and I refresh, I see the bear. Good. Okay, so this is my user profile. I probably need to add the billing here. So is this passing me anything? What's this? No. Is this passing me anything interesting? Oh, no, okay. This is a page. A page. So basically this is a page that is passed. It's not a result of an API call, but it's it goes here in the website controller, and I have the payment controller probably. Billing subscribe. What's this billing subscribe? Oh, okay, nice. It's this one. Good. So here we have the debit card, credit card stuff. No, it's broken. Oh shit, it's broken because it violates this. I don't know why it does this. So I'm not sure why in development we have this issue. So basically we need to go to, what is it? Not filter, not intersector. Yes, CSP intersector. And probably we need to add these unsafe stripe here too. So it will allow stripe. But in my experience, this never works. So let's see if it works now. And I noticed that because I don't see the form here. What's the form? Oh, it's building. And now, you see, now we still have some issues here. Because refused to frame, because it violates the following content. Frame self, frame source. So what is it? Oh, frame source, self, this one, and probably this one too. Nope. Oh, okay, now it works. Good. It's good. So basically, this form here is rendered by Stripe, and it has nice features like how to detect cards and it does things like it does nice things actually. So it's a nice stuff. The only problem is that it connects to Stripe continually a lot, and Brave is blocking that, and I hate this, but yeah. So okay, invalid API key provided. Good. To provide the API key, I need to go to the config stuff, and there's this Saasform prod, so Saasform full and Saasform. So if I go to see Saasform YAML, there's the wrong keys. And then if I link Saasform full, it has the keys, and then I start again. And then we see if it works better. Okay. Now let's try again. And now if I put the card 424242 and so on, it's the Stripe testing card. So basically if you write 42 until the end, it will be fine. And good, promise pending. And oops, it's not this. Get payment methods. Oh, this is bad. What is this? One thing I hate about TypeScript is that it compiles to JavaScript, and oh yes, of course, yes, and it and then you never know the error where it is. You need to open the JavaScript file and then try to see where the error is, but it opens in another editor. For me it's Sublime Text, so yeah. Now the problem is that when I had created the the account of test@example.com, I didn't have the Stripe key, so it didn't create a Stripe user, so it's not working. So I'm creating a new user. It should create a new account, and then I should have the Stripe account, so I should be able to add a credit card. Let's see if this is true or not. And that part of the system is something we need to work on, because it's not the best, because it fails. I don't know why it fails. Well, it's let's see. If I submit now, promise pending, and here we don't see the error anymore. Hopefully we will see nothing. What's that? So it's not working because, oh no, it worked. I'm not sure what happened. So we have our credit card here, and if I change the plan, so if I submit the plan here, what happens? Where it goes? It goes to no network. Shit, I lost it. This is wrong. I just need to fix. I do this, and I do this, and I submit, and create subscription phase. Oh, because it's not found. API v1 create subscription. So it looks for these, and in this create subscription, I think we can handle both the creation and the update. Let's see. Let's see how it goes. It may go. We might have. The first time it creates a subscription, and the second time it updates that. This feels because we have many different paths that can come here. Let's write a document. Okay. So I have these design docs, and I'm going to create a new one. It's 146. No, invite user. It's not 146. It's something different. It's it's 150. It's 150 add plan payment.mt. So what's the stuff? Let me make sure. So doing this helps me to buy a plan. Issues, it is at least the 150, but I would say also the 149, which is the one that as a user, okay. Mm. Oh no, 149, but 148. Make sure the user can buy a new plan. Make sure the user can change plan. If the user has a trailing free trial, let's say, changing plan, what does? Move to the new plan, but is still free trial for the time left. This is something interesting to see. So basically the idea is that if a user